Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Zara TRF or Young Collection. Zara TRF, which is short for Trafaluc, is Zara's dedicated line for younger, trend-driven fashion, often catering to ages 18 to 25. It features more affordable experimental styles, including graphic tees, distressed denims, and also Y2K inspired pieces. Here's how you can identify and use the Zara TRF. So for example, if you're on the menu right over here, you can simply go ahead and scroll all the way down and go ahead and look for some kind of top or pants you want. So for example, if you want a jeans right over here, the most reliable way you can identify a TRF item is by looking for a triangle symbol on the clothing tag. So if there is a triangle symbol around here somewhere, then you can easily identify it. On the Zara app, TRF items are generally integrated into the main product listing, but they are also often categorized under the TRF section in the menu, particularly for items like jeans, skirts, and dresses, and so on. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.